This is the 4th of July. We have the Lahaina Fire Department just going in right here. And some police cars. There's one right there. And got the fireworks. And we thought we would take a look at the fireworks from this vantage point. We're in Lahaina here. We've got the Lahaina Fire Department leaving. It's the 4th of July. There's the fireworks going off in Lahaina. And I expect the fire department to be pretty busy tonight because people are oh nice, lighting fireworks. Happy birthday America, or happy Independence Day. I hear a police car starting up. Stay safe. Beautiful.